For years, I struggled with hormonal acne. It was more than just blemishes, it was a constant source of insecurity. I tried everything, harsh creams, endless facials, even medication. Nothing seemed to work. My skin remained red, inflamed, and covered in painful breakouts. I felt trapped in a cycle of despair, my self-esteem plummeting with each new pimple. I knew I needed a different approach, something that addressed the root cause of my acne. That's when I discovered the power of natural solutions. This 30-day journey wasn't just about clear skin. It was about reclaiming my health and happiness. It was about understanding my body and giving it the nourishment it craved. It was about learning to love and accept myself, flaws and all. And hormonal acne is a double-edged sword. On one hand, there's the physical aspect, the redness, the inflammation, the painful cysts. These alone are enough to make anyone self-conscious. But it's the emotional toll that truly cuts deep. The constant struggle with my skin eroded my confidence. I avoided social situations, fearing judgment and awkward questions. I felt like my acne defined me, holding me back from living my life to the fullest. Desperate for a solution, I turned to conventional treatments. I was prescribed creams and medications, each promising miraculous results. But they often left my skin dry, irritated, and more sensitive than before. What's more, these treatments didn't address the underlying hormonal imbalances driving my acne. I realized I needed a more holistic approach, one that treated my body from the inside out. My journey towards clear skin began with a radical shift in perspective. I stopped viewing my body as an enemy and started treating it as a friend. I listened to its signals, nourishing it with wholesome foods and natural remedies. I embarked on a 30-day challenge, incorporating 3 key elements: dietary changes, herbal allies, and stress management. First, I overhauled my diet. Out went processed foods, refined sugar, and dairy, all known culprits behind inflammation and hormonal havoc. Instead, I filled my plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. These provided my body with the essential nutrients it needed to heal from within.